We had high hopes for our Grand America's adventure.
Unfortunately, it doesn't always work out as planned. We were supposed to go through the Panama Canal, and in fact we did.
After the Panama Canal, we were scheduled to stop at 2 places in Ecuador. Unfortunately, due to political unrest and turmoil, those stops were canceled due to safety concerns.
We went into Antofagasta, and we got out there for the bus, and they said, oh, sorry, it's lunch break, come back in an hour. So ended up going back in an hour, rode the bus into town, walked around the square a little bit, found a local pub, and had a couple of local beers. So all in all, that was a success.
That's part of what makes an interesting memory, is when things don't go exactly as scheduled and you get to discover something new.
Yeah, that's where all the stories come from.
Hope you keep following us on our Grand America's adventure.
So we are here in Iquique in Chile, our first port in Chile. I just got off the ship, getting ready, waiting for the shuttle bus. Take us into town, maybe see if we can find some lunch. Maybe try a local beer. Okay, we are in the main square in Iquique and on the hunt for local beers. So we've got a tip that there's down around the corner and down the street, there's a couple of pubs where we can pick up some local beers.
Hola! We are at Estilo Urbano, and guess what we found? A couple beers. Cheers! So we are departing our scenic cruising of the Brujo Glacier. Beautiful. We were here before, about 10 years ago. Really enjoyed it. So we got off the ship, got on a bus, took a short ride, walked through the terminal, got our backpack scanned, checked for our forms, walked through the terminal again, get on another bus.
We're heading to the Casablanca Valley, and we'll get a chance to see some wineries, taste some wine, and maybe have some lunch, and let's transfer back to the ship. So at least that's the plan.
We are gonna visit first the field. After, we are gonna visit the winemaking room, the cellar room, to finish with a delicious tasting of the wines. I think that is what you are expecting here. We're gonna start this tasting with Sauvignon Blanc.
So we've had our first wine tasting of the day. We're going to take a little walk in the vineyard now.
Quite busy here at the winery today. So here we are at the Diamante Vineyard.
Oh, hi. We're planning a trip into Punta Arenas. Do a little walk around, self-guided tour, where our ship is docked here on the pier. Here's a supermarket. I think a lot of the crew is going there to stock up on last-minute needs like potato chips and cookies and things like that. But we're going to go up here, walk down 21 de Mayo to the Plaza de Armas. There's a statue there to Magellan. And then we're gonna go around the corner to Bar Shackleton. Bar Shackleton. I wonder what they'll have there. Maybe some Shackleton scotch, or maybe a couple beers. I guess we'll find out. See ya. To the east. Is that the direction we'll go out of Magellan Strait? I don't know. We're gonna find out.
Well, we are here in Punta Arenas at Shackleton Bar, having a couple of beers and a sandwich for lunch. And it's not too far from the pier. It's kind of tough finding the place, but we were lucky. Anyway, enjoying our time in Punta Arenas, getting ready to head out for Antarctica about 8 o'clock tonight. So wish us luck.